Hey everybody, Farmer John here. So I was just wanting to show you that I'm getting ready for the bull market. I know we're in a bear market right now, but don't worry about that bear. Bears aren't so scary. Trust me, I've wrestled several bears. But those bulls on the other hand, bulls are tricky. They're, you got to learn how to ride them. You want to ride that bull really good. You got to get on there. You're going to want to grab it by the horns. And once you're riding that bull, you need to know when to take profits. So right now is a great time to be doing your research, getting all versed on all the different cryptos, because one of these days you're going to be riding that bull and you're going to want to know when to take profits. All right, everybody, have a great day. Hey everybody, welcome to Cryptopia. So I wanted to take this opportunity to talk to you guys about this down market. How do you guys feel about it? I'd love to hear some comments below. Let me know what you're feeling right now. Are you optimistic? Are you angry? Are you depressed? What are you feeling? I think it's important to go through these emotions because we're definitely have been on a roller coaster the last few months. For people who have invested a lot of money, thinking that they're going to become a millionaire overnight. And, I am very optimistic about crypto. I personally, I am in crypto for the long haul. And I think that's a really important question, is that people need to ask themselves, why are you in crypto? Are you in crypto strictly to increase your fiat holdings? Do you want to see your fiat value going up, or do you want to see your crypto portfolio expanding and growing? What is the most important for you? And I think a lot of people want to see their fiat basically balance go up. I'm going to be honest with you right now. My holdings are 90% down right now. 90% from my total net worth from what I was at. I'm down 90%. And I'm totally fine because I believe in crypto. I believe in blockchain technology. I believe in cryptocurrencies. I believe in NFTs. And I believe that it is the future. And I believe that it will make the world a better place. And I do believe that everything that we're feeling, we're on this downward trend. It feels like we're on this runaway roller coaster, right? And we're just heading down to oblivion. But the honesty is that, we're building momentum and there is going to be a rebound. We can look at the historical records of crypto in all markets. There are cycles, and right now we are in a down cycle, but it will come back. And every time it comes back, it is stronger. Now, will some projects fold and fail? Of course. There's a lot of projects I'm in that will never come back. But I will say this, the projects that I am in and that do succeed will come back stronger than they ever were before. And I'll make up those losses. So for right now, what I've been focusing on is staking, increasing my my token holdings. Okay, so that just means if I had 10,000 whatever XRP, I now have 12,000 XRP. I'm just using that as an example. But whatever that may be. So I've been doing a lot of smart trading to increase my holdings. Now, that doesn't mean that my fiat value is actually increasing. It's continuously actually going down on a lot of levels. But my token holdings are increasing. I'm getting into good projects. I'm staking. And I know that when the market comes back, I'm going to be much better off. And I'm going to be really happy that I didn't sell out. And I know there's a lot of people. I have a lot of friends that, they bought in kind of back up at the, not at the peak, but thereabouts, and they kind of had some nice profits, and they're in it strictly for the fiat. And as soon as it came down, they lost about 40 or 50% of their portfolio value. They sold. They're like, oh, I'm out. I'm done. I can't handle this. They've lost a lot of money. Those are the ones that have lost a lot of money. Now, I'm here hodling, holding strong, not selling. And I'm just going to tell you, that is for me personally, that is the smartest move I can make. Now, this is not financial advice. Do your own research, do your own due diligence, and most of all, follow your heart. What do you believe? Why did you get into crypto? Did you get into crypto to make a quick buck? Or did you get into crypto because you love the decentralization of it? Did you get into crypto because you think it's the future? Are you into metaverse gaming? Are you into layer ones or layer zeros? Or do you really think that this is going to, revolutionize, currency in the world? What are your thoughts? I'd love to hear your comments below. Please let me know what you think about crypto. Why are you in crypto? And then, once you have a general understanding of that, why you're in crypto, if it's strictly to get some fiat gains, you're going to be a lot more stressed out than the rest of us. But if you believe in what you're investing in, if you believe that, you know, metaverse gaming is the future of gaming, well, hang on. It's going to come back, and it's going to come back strong. Do you believe that layer ones and layer zeros are going to revolutionize the world and start to, you know, change the way governments are run and utilize money and currencies? I don't know. That's what I believe. And that's why I'm not worried about my fiat value decreasing, because I know it's going to come back, and it's going to come back strong. So, all right, everybody. So I just wanted to throw this out there. Hang in there. Be strong. Don't be sad. Don't be depressed. The markets will come back. Look at history. History always repeats itself. So be strong, guys, and I would look forward to seeing you in the next video. Hit that like and subscribe button. Don't forget to turn on that bell notification, and we'll see you in the next video. Have a great day, Cryptopians.